what are sort of some of the big themes, things that you want to come in and maybe make a change in the organization?
Well, that's a good question. We have taken a hit at the United Inventors Association because our big thing is live events. I mean, we travel around the country, sometimes the world, attending events, talking with inventors. We have inventor areas, and inventors bring their products in at these events and shows and product shows. So that really shut us down in a sense, but we have been doing a lot of virtual events to keep that going. We have a huge following. We have, tens of thousands of members at the UIA, and, they're thirsty for information, for knowledge, for help, for experience. So that's what we're trying to provide online like everyone else. So it has been a challenge.
And I, hadn't had the privilege of being at one of those live events. But I mean, yeah, it's going from touching and feeling products and shaking hands. I mean, obviously it's a different thing. What has been the one or two most successful things about doing the virtual events that you've seen?
Just the events that we have with experts, bringing out people who have gone through the process. They've sold products, they've invented products, and they're really telling exactly the nuts and bolts, the down to earth stuff of what to expect when you're just starting out. I mean, the UIA wants to be that next step. If that inventor wakes up at 3 o'clock in the morning and they're like, oh my God, I had this idea, we want to be what's next.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think with having the virtual event, it sort of reduces a bit of the barrier for some people too. So maybe it could mean eventually, while it's kind of a bit of a dip now, it could mean a big surge later, because you got people that maybe couldn't fly, couldn't afford it, just too nervous, scared about being in person, bringing their invention to the showroom floor, but they can maybe now feel more at ease, asking questions, learning about it. Are you seeing some of that?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, if one thing that has happened with this pandemic is that it's knocked down the barriers of people who didn't want to do virtual stuff, who didn't think they could get online and use Zoom or whatever program they're going to use to talk to people. And now it's a norm. So it's really going to help. Now we can have a hybrid of events, live events, and virtual events, and mix those together. We've really connected not only the US, but the whole world.